This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. I wasn't planning on doing a video, but right now I'm noticing that Bitcoin is making lows for the day, trading at 11,340 as you can see, and this is for August 6, 2019. Live trading, you can see fresh lows for the day, as you can see right here. Low for the day is right there. So just want to show you, want to see what the daily chart is looking like, and it's doing this in a area where we can expect resistance. Why? Because if you take a look at the daily, this is the daily Bitcoin on the Bitfinex exchange, we can see that this is where we broke down off this daily closing high somewhere there. There's a daily closing high right there. And if we take that information and draw our uniformity resistance line, there should be more information in the description of the video. Draw a line like that. We'll see that we came and kissed it for this reversal area, and we are doing the same thing here. So it's very, I guess, clear or obvious, but you never say it's obvious. Alright, but we can see here that right now, as long as this is the case, this is suggesting that Bitcoin is gonna struggle until such a time as to when it can clear above the black line, which has been resistance, again going back to the highs on a daily closing high from here. So this black line has been a problem, and right now is proving to be a difficult spot as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Another way to look at the current Bitcoin daily chart is a single line, what I call single line analysis. Take one line that's going to give you as much information as possible, and here we can see that this line has been previous lows, touching all these lows. We broke below this low, so you can't make this up. Well, I guess you can, but why would you? Resistance on the line right there, somewhere there, and now we've gone above the line and back below it with, guess what? Uniform action. The uniform action is the key. Now you bring back the previous line, you can see that this is where Bitcoin is struggling. So as long as there's resistance here, we can anticipate that the next major swing trade direction for Bitcoin more than likely is to the downside. Now there's another way you can look at this. Go to the weekly chart, and I'll show you two things on this weekly chart. Number one, it's the level that we've been watching, this weekly closing high. So the challenge here is for Bitcoin to move back or recapture the weekly breakout level, and that is at 1145. So 11485, which goes back to the weekly closing high right here. So right now we are seeing a failed breakout, which is exactly what the bulls don't want to see. We know that failed breakouts are notorious for taking instruments lower. The only way to correct this is the bulls have to figure out a way to push Bitcoin back above the breakout level, and that breakout level, as we can see, is at 11,485. Also right here, and now we are seeing Bitcoin struggling to hold that level that I always talk about, 69.1. If Bitcoin is to do well, it has to recapture this level here so it can have energy to the upside. The more it struggles to hold and the more it shows resistance around 69.1, this is suggesting that more than likely the next major swing trade is gonna be lower. This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Yes.